Okay, so I'm going to show you on this test account how to post a reel. So go to your profile and click the plus button at the top of the screen in the top right hand corner to create something. And then I'm just going to scroll down to reel and click on where it says reel. Then this screen comes up and it's showing me a video of what's in front of me. So you've got a few options here. Now, first of all, you can select the length of your reel. On the left-hand side, there's a menu bar that goes down. So if I click on where it says 15, it will make it to 30 seconds. If I click back again, it can go to 15. So they're your two options. So normally I'll do 30 seconds just to give myself time to put some content in. Then underneath that, there's a little music icon. If I click on that, this is where you can choose the music for your reel. So you can go down and just play an experiment and just click on one to see what it is like. So I just click on them to test them out and see which ones I want to use. And I'll just swipe down to go back to my main screen. Then I can select how fast I want. If I'm doing a video, if I want to speed it up, I can do it there. And then there's a few effects as well. So if I go to the bottom left of my screen, there's a little icon to go to my gallery. So I can click on that and find a video to share with you guys. So let's have a look. What do we have? Let's have a look at one of these star setting ones from the other day. Then I can scroll along at the bottom to choose how much of it I want to use. So I recommend keeping your reels sharp and choppy. So don't make each section too long. So I'm just going to add a tiny section of that. And I just go to the top and click add. And you'll see the little pink line at the very top of the screen has just started to fill up. When that's all the way full, that means I've got my full 30 seconds. So I'm going to go ahead and do a little bit more. So a few seconds of this as well. Click add. And another one. Let's get a nice juicy one. I'll make them a bit longer for now, but yeah, make them nice and choppy. It makes it more interesting. And you can also add pictures in if you like. Let's go for this pretty one. And you can also, you can delete them. If you upload you don't want, you can press the bin button or the cut button to go back if you didn't get it quite right where you'd like it to end. And you just click trim in the corner to say, yes, that's what I want, and done at the bottom, and you're happy with it. Then I'm going to add, let's go with one of Stelios on the beach.
Who is this stream?
There we go. And if I want to do a little bit of filming now, I just press the button in the middle, because so far I've just uploaded films that I already have. So I push that big button in the middle with the kind of play on it, and I'm filming, and I'm just gonna get hello mango and stop. Press it again to stop it. And I'll do another one behind me. Let's do the workshop. And stop. All right, so when I'm happy that I've got enough things, I can then play around a bit more. So I'm gonna check my music. I'm just gonna select one. Let's go with You Make Me Happy. That sounds good. Click on done. Then if I click the little arrow in the corner that's kind of on the right hand side, I can do some fun things here. So if I click the first button, I can save it to the camera roll or save it as a draft if I'm not sure if I want to use it just yet. And then if I go along to the next one, I can share some GIFs, might do a little rainbow, put it in the corner. Then see where it says tap to set the duration. I'm just going to tap on that. And my slider comes up again, and I might choose just to have it right at the end, just in the workshop section, and click done. Then I can do any kind of drawing that I might want to do and put that on the place. And perhaps the most useful one is the writing one, so where it says AA. If I click on there, it's just like I'm doing a stories, so I can just type in lovely day filming star setting. Do my colours however I want to do it, and I would have a think a bit more about what you want to share and when. You might want to do a few different captions, and if I click on where it says lovely, again the slider comes up and I might choose to have that just at the beginning and click done. So you can play around a bit with that and then you're ready to share it. So just click share to. And this area you'll be used to if you use Instagram. You can write your caption. So this is just like any other post now. You've made the content, you're ready to share it. So where it says cover, you can click on there and select any element of it for your cover. Let's go with the cat. And then you can write your caption in, put in your hashtags. This is where you want to make sure it's still engaging, maybe ask a question. If there's anyone to tag, you can tag them, and then you're ready to press the blue button at the bottom and share, and it will go out to the whole entire world. And that is how you create your first reel. So enjoy. Do have a go at making them, and do tag us at Jewelers Academy so that I can see your reels and see how you're getting on with them as well. It's a great way to build engagement on your account, and they're a lot of fun to do as well. So have a play and experiment.
Yes, you